Hi again, this is Bill from the Tillamook County Library, and this is going to be ukulele lesson number 2. So, we're going to deal with these two chords this time. We've got a C, which we've already learned in the first one, and then we have a G7, which is a bit of a challenge when you're first getting started to get your 3 fingers in the right place. But once you've trained your fingers to do that, it's pretty easy. So, as you can see, laying your ukulele down beside this chord chart, we need to get our first finger right there where we had it for an F. And then we need 1 finger above it and 1 finger below it. I call that a triangle chord. And that's a G7. So try that and see if you can convince your fingers that that's a good pose to be in. So we need to practice going between these 2 chords. So to go from a G7 to a C, you just have to let go of these 2 fingers and slide your ring finger to the position for the C, which is right there. And then when it's time to go back to the G7, that finger slides back, and then you put your other fingers like that to make the G7. So we've got our fingers in G7 first. Let's do 8 counts of G7 and then 8 counts of C. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and here comes a song that uses those 2. I hope that shows up well enough for you to read. It's Down in the Valley, and we're going to start with a C and change to a G7 and back and forth like that. So let's try it. Down in the valley, valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. We should be on C now. Hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow. Late in the evening, hear the wind blow. Time for the second verse. Roses love sunshine, violets love dew, angels in heaven know I love you, know I love you, dear, know I love you. Angels in heaven know I love you. Now we're going to finish with that first verse again. Down in the valley, a valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow. Late in the evening, hear the wind blow. All right, made it. How about one more song with C and G7? Doggy in the Window. I think we all know that one. And this just starts out with a C. Here we go. How much is that doggy in the window? that's enough to think about for a couple of days. So again, if you like these ukulele videos, let me know, and we can always put some more on. And the more we put on, the trickier it's going to get. So hope you're all having a good time and staying safe and staying home. And we hope to see you again as soon as we can reopen at the Tillamook County Library. All right, see ya, bye.